Welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy, your trusted space to master ERP, one process at a time. In our previous video, we introduced you to the Sales and Distribution (SD) module, the engine that drives revenue, customer service and dispatch excellence. Today, we begin with the first and foundational process of the SD module, customer inquiry. This is where every sales journey begins. What is customer inquiry? The customer inquiry process is the starting point of any sales cycle in Lighthouse ERP. It captures the customer's interest or requirement, whether it comes via email, phone call, SMS, verbal communication, or formal tender (BOQ) documents. Once an inquiry is captured, it becomes the base document for the next steps like quotation, order and dispatch. In Lighthouse ERP, every customer inquiry is logged, reviewed, and tracked to ensure no opportunity is lost. Process flow. Here's how the process flows inside the system. Step 1. Receive customer inquiry. Sales or marketing team logs the inquiry. Records item specs, quantity, delivery requirements. Step 2. Update customer inquiry. Attach documents, if any, add remarks, customer preferences. Link cost, project, staff for MIS analysis. Step 3. Review the inquiry. Validate data accuracy. Decide if an acknowledgement or regret letter is required. Key features. Let's look at what makes this process powerful and practical in Lighthouse ERP. Multiple inquiries can be captured simultaneously. Item-wise attachments, upload product specs or RFQs. UDC, user-defined code for tracking and reporting, auto-acknowledgement or regret letter generation. MIS-friendly fields, project code, costing, staff ID, full audit trail, who created, modified, or reviewed. Dashboard reports, track inquiries day-wise, client-wise, or vertical-wise. Auto-scheduler for inquiry status reports. Why is this process important? This may seem like a small process, but it's absolutely essential. It ensures that all sales interest is documented, no missed calls, no forgotten leads. It helps in forecasting sales and planning dispatch. It supports quotation accuracy. It feeds into MIS and costing reports, and the best part, it's configured with logic, approval rights, validation rules, and reports, giving full control and transparency. In fact, this process cannot be skipped or moved to phase 2. It's mandatory for all core verticals, prerequisites and configuration. Before using this process, certain system setups are required. Transaction code, O. Transaction nature, Z&Q for sales inquiry. User rights configuration, for create, edit, delete, review, print. Series-based approval logic, for user-level control. Tender master, optional, if integrated with tender flow, reports and MIS. Lighthouse ERP offers multiple views and reports for tracking customer inquiries. Customer inquiry dashboard, with filters like date, division, project. Customer inquiry register and query engine. Offline prints, inquiry document, status, letters. Auto scheduler, day-wise, monthly reports, FAQs included in system help. Can you change the customer after saving? No. Can you edit after review? Only after unreleasing the review. Can same item code be repeated? Yes, with different remarks. Real-world example. Imagine a marketing executive at a transmission tower company. When a customer sends an inquiry for 500 tower structures via email. 2. The executive logs it into the system using the customer inquiry form. 3. Item specs, delivery deadline, and project reference are recorded. 4. A formal acknowledgement letter is generated. 5. The inquiry is reviewed, and a sales quotation is prepared directly from this record. This structured flow removes manual errors, improves response speed, and ensures follow-ups. Summary. Here's what we covered. What is customer inquiry? End-to-end process flow. Key features and reports. System configuration required. Real-world use case. This is the first and most important step in converting a prospect into a customer. In our next video, we'll dive into sales quotation where prices, terms, and approvals come into play. So stay tuned, and let Lighthouse ERP light the way to smarter sales. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon